How are we doing? I'm Mike from DiTEC Marine Products. Today's project, we're going to clean and restore this teak table.
I'm going to show you a way to clean and brighten this table without sanding.
I picked this table up from a family in Chicago. They were moving and it's been sitting in the sun and in the weather for the past 5-6 years. And it's really quite UV faded on the sides, pretty dirty. So we're going to clean it with our original one-step Teak cleaner. And we're also going to show you how we clean another section with our new two-step cleaner and brightener. When we're done cleaning this table top to bottom, we're going to show you how easily our Triton is applied and how well it works. It is not a traditional sealant. This product actually binds to your teak or wood and allows the fibers to breathe, which is very important. Triton 2.0 repels water, most foods, wines, oils, and any type of contaminants or dirt that end up on your surface. It lets everything just kind of wash off and beat off. It also has a UV protectant in it. So with that being said, let's get started in cleaning this table and show you what we can do.
The first thing I'm going to do is put on protective gloves. DiTEC's Teak Clean and Teak Magin are cleaning products. Their job is to remove oils and dirt and then brighten the wood. I'm going to show you a way to clean and brighten this table without sanding. Both Teak Clean and Teak Magin Part 1 should be applied to a dry wood surface. The Teak Magin can be poured on directly to the surface from the bottle or dabbed on or brushed on with any kind of brush. I prefer to use a foam brush. With Teak Clean, you can pour directly onto the surface, pour it into a bucket and dab it on with a scrub pad, or pour it into a handheld pump sprayer or spray bottle and then spray it on. Although both products deliver the same results, Teak Clean is a one-step cleaner and brightener that is best used on large teak decks and outdoors. If you're cleaning your teak inside or are near sensitive surroundings like stainless steel or finished metals, we recommend using our two-step Teak Magin. We will have the full tutorial of each product linked in the description below. Once you've applied either product, let the product rest on the surface for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the product do its job. With both products, you'll want to scrub the teak. Continue scrubbing the teak while occasionally rinsing your pad until you no longer see dirt or contaminants on your pad. Thoroughly rinse off the table. These are the results after a full cleaning with no sanding. Our products do not erode the teak fibers on your table or deck, which will lead to sanding.
So what I'm going to do now is apply our Triton one-step protectant to the teak table on half of it. Again, Triton binds to the natural fibers of the teak wood. It allows the table to breathe, and it protects against water, oil, foods, wine, whatever else you're going to spill on this table. We're going to protect it with our Triton. We're going to probably put 2 coats on half the table, and we're going to show you the results in 24 hours.
For smaller areas of application, Triton can be rolled on with a large or small roller. For larger applications, such as a boat deck, it can be applied with a handheld pump sprayer and then back rolled. As I mentioned earlier, Triton will allow the wood furniture or teak deck to breathe and still protect the surface without changing the feel or natural appearance of your teak. Sealants change the appearance and the feel of your teak. Oils will change the appearance of your teak while also collecting and trapping dirt and other contaminants.
Okay, we're back today, 24 hours later, and we've applied 2 coats of Triton yesterday afternoon and let it dry thoroughly. Now we're going to show you how well Triton protects against water and other elements and keeps your table or your teak deck looking as good as can be for many months. So first, we're going to pour some wine onto a small area here that's half of it's treated and half of it is untreated. Now we'll let it sit for a little bit and show you how easily it wipes off the treated portion. You can see how it beaded up here and how here it soaked in right away.
Narrate it, tell us what you see.
You can see that the portion that was treated, which is this half here, the wine really did not absorb into it. You can look at this and see point blank that the Triton protected against the wine seeping into the teak, no doubt. If you look even right here, you can see where the Triton was applied, kind of overlaid on this piece of wood. We tried to make the application right at the seam, but you can see it kind of overlaid on some of this here, and you can see where it absorbed and where it didn't absorb. Next, we're going to try some olive oil. Drizzle this on a little bit and kind of show you what it does. Now again, you can see the darker portion here absorbing into the teak, Here you can see where it was treated, the overlay of the Triton application. You can see where it's absorbing, where it's not absorbing by the darkness. Here it's spreading out. It's seeping into the teak and spreading out. Here it's just laying on top. I mean, that's perfect. That's what you want to see right there. Okay, let's wipe it up. Enough time. Look at that.
Wow, that is.
So now it's about a half hour after we applied both the wine and the olive oil. You can see how they both have clearly absorbed into the teak wood, and you know, they're leaving a stain. You can see the red there. You can see the oil that's absorbed into the teak. And now we're going to go ahead and spray the whole table down with water and kind of show you how water is going to beat up and how it protects against dirty water that from acid rain or whatever it may be. Now when you look at this, just because it's not beating up doesn't mean it's not protecting the table. You can see here where it's absorbing in to both the cleaned and untreated Triton half and just the side that wasn't touched at all. But you can see how it's not absorbing into the Triton protected side. Now if it's the morning or you just had a rain and you want to get your teak clean, you can see how it stopped the rain or the water from going in to the wood, and you can just wipe it off or squeegee it off, or some people take a leaf blower and blow the water off. You can see the water just coming right off. All done. Triton protected, not protected.